I'm Helen Hiebert, the author of Weaving with Paper. This book takes you on a paper weaving journey. Begin with a few simple weavings to develop your skills, and then work your way through 30 projects as you acquire more complex techniques and develop your own. You might even decide to weave daily for a month as you respond to the prompts in the book. I'm excited to show you how to make a woven note card using strips of paper. Your weavings can become gifts, works of art, or part of your daily practice. You can weave almost any paper. How about recycling old sheet music, maps, and security envelopes? And of course, there are tons of gorgeous papers available for purchase. Paper weaving can be free-form. Slits and strips can be cut in numerous ways and then put back together like a puzzle. I love the challenge of responding to a prompt, picking papers to weave together, planning how each will be cut, and thinking about how they will be intertwined. I hope that Weaving with Paper will inspire you to dive into your paper stash and set aside some time to explore paper as you deepen your relationship to craft and cultivate a routine.